Welcome back to Quiz TV. Are you ready for a new Would You Rather Animals edition? But before that, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have fun. Are you a dog person or a cat person? Like this video if you're a dog person and subscribe to the channel if you're a cat person. Would you rather be super strong like an elephant or incredibly fast like a cheetah? Would you rather see baby giraffes or baby elephants? A long-haired dog or a long-haired rabbit? A cat or banana cat? Happy. Would you rather have a chinchilla or a guinea pig? Would you rather have a monkey's agility or a gorilla's strength? A small rabbit or a big rabbit? A clownfish or an exotic fish? Would you rather have a trunk like an elephant or wings like a butterfly? Green-eyed dogs or green-eyed cats? Would you rather have a flying squirrel or a flying fish? Would you rather have baby penguins or baby koalas? Have a parrot that gives compliments or a parrot that tells jokes? Would you rather swim like a shark or fly like an eagle? Have a giant aquarium or a giant terrarium? Would you rather celebrate your pet's birthday or take him for a walk? Would you rather have a goat or a sheep? A chameleon that changes color or a jellyfish that glows in the dark? Ride on a camel in Egypt or visit Antarctica to see the penguins? A baby lion or a baby dog? Would you rather adopt a rescue dog or a rescue cat? Adopt a wild lion as a pet, or comment below which animal you want to have. Would you rather have a pet dragon or a pet unicorn? Pet a baby hedgehog or pet a baby marmot? Would you rather have teeth like a mouse or claws to climb trees? Have a pigeon as a messenger or a parrot you can talk to? Would you rather have a pet snake or a pet spider? Would you rather be friends with an elephant or a dragon? Have a pet scorpion or a pet spider? Put clothes on your animal or never put clothes on them? Black cats or orange cats? Play with a dolphin or play with a panda? Would you rather have a pony or a horse? Fight a lion or fight a shark? Which do you think is more intelligent, cats or dogs? Would you rather have an owl or a rat? Would you rather own 100 snakes or 100 turtles? Play with baby polar bears or play with red panda babies? Would you rather have ears like a rabbit or a long neck like a giraffe? Would you rather have a clingy animal or an independent animal? Adopt an animal or buy an animal from a breeder? Would you rather taste dog food or fish food? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.